Tonight, 2 News is going in depth on the bill that some are calling one of the most restrictive abortion laws in the country. Many celebrating today as a win. Others fear for the future as Oklahoma joins a growing list of states passing anti-abortion laws. 2 News Oklahoma's Katie Kelleher shares what could happen next with this new law.
Those against abortion say this is taking a stand to protect the rights of unborn children. Meanwhile, those who are pro-choice say this won't stop abortions and can create dangerous situations.
This is a historic day. This is the day that the state of Oklahoma says we value all life.
This is a really dark day for Oklahoma.
Senate Bill 612 officially signed into law Tuesday. It bans almost all abortions in the state and makes performing one a felony with up to 10 years in prison. There is an exception for an abortion performed to save the life of a mother. Broken Arrow Republican State Senator Nathan Dahm was one of the co-authors of the bill.
We should be about protecting life. And what we are saying here today is the intentional taking of an innocent life has consequences. It is criminal, and we are no longer going to allow the murder of innocent babies in the womb here in Oklahoma.
Some finding the new law harmful. Emily Wales is the interim president and CEO for Planned Parenthood Great Plains. She says it's important women seeking an abortion have the ability to do so in a safe way.
Stopping abortions does not prevent people from accessing them. Passing abortion bans only forces people to either cross state lines, desperate to care, to feel like they should be shamed and stigmatized, or to take matters into their own hands.
Wales says they've been providing services to women coming to Oklahoma from Texas, where an abortion law bans the procedure after about 6 weeks. She says their fight for women's rights isn't over.
The law doesn't take effect today, and we do plan to challenge it in court. We are hopeful that our patients will continue to have access here at home.
That court challenge, something Governor Kevin Stitt and State Attorney General John O'Connor expect to see. But they say they're prepared to make a stand.
The states should have the rights to make that decision, and that's what we're hoping the U.S. Supreme Court does, is return it to the states and the people.
The law is currently set to take effect 90 days after the legislature adjourns next month, so that would be in August. Katie Kelleher, 2 News Oklahoma.